Hi, and welcome to today's video where I will be talking about what is Agile methodology. And within the video, I will be summarizing, going over the topics where what is the Agile Manifesto, what are the Agile Principles, and briefly covering all this, not in detail, Agile framework, benefits of Agile and how implementing it, and then the transition from Agile. I'm going to go into a bit more detail onto that, and then summarize it overall. So without delay, let's crack on. So welcome everybody. In today's world, in the video, we're going to dive into Agile methodology. Agile has revolutionized the way we approach project management, allowing for flexibility and rapid responses to changes, which is critical to today's fast-paced environment. And as part of that, within Agile is the Agile Manifesto. Now, the Agile Manifesto is the cornerstone of Agile methodology, emphasizing individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Imagine you're on a road trip with a map, but the road ahead is blocked. Agile is like having a sat nav or a GPS, if you're from the US, that reroutes you in real time instead of sticking rigidly to the planned path. Now, within Agile, there are the Agile Principles. Now, there's Agile Principles is, one of the 12 principles of Agile is customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery is one of the key elements there. And one of the, so think of it like a restaurant that serves you a meal as tapas, allowing you to taste and give feedback, ensuring the final dish is exactly, to your liking. Now, these principles, there's 12 of them. I've only covered one of those today, but I will go into more depth in another video. And then thereafter is the Agile framework. Now, the framework, frameworks are like Scrum and Kanban, are different paths to implementing Agile. In Scrum, you've got your daily stand-up meetings, ensuring everybody knows what's on the plate for the day, promoting transparency and accountability. Now, what are the benefits of Agile? Now, the benefits of Agile include delivering value faster to customers and improving product quality. Consider how a tech company can release a basic app and enhance it over time based on user feedback instead of waiting to launch the perfect version. So incremental delivery, which means that you are constantly updating and refining as you go along, which then means that you are providing something of benefit. Now, implementing in Agile, how do you implement Agile? Now, it's difficult. Now, to start with, with Agile, begin small, scale as you grow more comfortable with it. It's like learning to swim. You don't dive into, dive into the deep end right away. Start with the paddling end and then shallow end of the water and then work your way up. Now, transitioning to Agile from traditional project management is a transformative process. It requires fundamental change in thinking, from following a strict plan to embracing change. And that is a major mindset change for many organizations who have not embraced Agile. Now, there's pretty much many there. Firstly, begin by educating your team on Agile, their values and the principles through interactive workshops. Just like learning a new language, immersion and practice are key. Next, anticipate and mitigate common pitfalls. It's not uncommon to face resistance or to stumble with an overcommitment. Think of it like a team sport. Each player adjusts to the new playbook and each of their own strengths. Now, use frequent retrospectives as your halftime huddles to regroup and refine your game plan. Now, let's talk about Agile outside the world of IT. Now, consider a marketing team in a retail company. They adopt Agile to manage their seasonal campaigns through interactive planning and constant feedback. They were able to pivot quickly and change fashion trends, leading to a series of successful launches and an impressive return on investment. Now, that's a prime example of how you could use it. Now, remember, whether you're developing software, crafting marketing campaigns, or organizing events, Agile methodology provides a robust framework for navigating complexity, and change. It's about continuous improvement, flexibility, and delivering value one sprint at a time. So, in summary, Agile method is more than a set of principles, it's a mindset. As we embrace Agile, we embrace change, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Now, share your thoughts and experience with Agile in the comments below, and let's continue with the conversation.